For the crimping process, you will need the following materials: wire stripper, crimping plier, contact, a wrench, wire, and your CombiTac. Before the contact can be crimped, the wire must be stripped. To do this, you will need a wire stripper and a wire. Choose the right stripping length for the cut. Strip the wire. For the crimping process, you will require a crimping plier. The crimping plier consists of handle, adapter, fast feed lever, pins, release lever, upper crimping die, and lower crimping die. For the previously stripped wire, select the right crimping die. To install the right crimping die, you have to open the tool first. Loose the pins of the basic tool and extract them until stop. Remove the adapter. For the next step, insert the lower and upper crimping dies until they are locked. Place the adapter back on the basic tool and lock the pins. Now, the crimping die set is ready to crimp the contact. To crimp the contact, you will need the crimping plier, the stripped wire, and the contact. Open the crimping plier. Insert contact to the center of the crimping zone. Operate the fast feed lever anti-clockwise until the contact is hold, or alternatively press the handles. Then, position the stripped wire into the contact crimp junction. Open and close the tool completely until the lower crimping die is in the basic position. Now you can remove the crimped contact bottom to top. Note: if the tool is blocked and cannot be opened, press it again or perform a premature release. There are two ways to perform a premature release. The first way is to open it by hand. To do so, press the release lever down and hold it. Operate the fast feed lever clockwise until the lower crimping die is in the basic position. Now it should be released. For the second way, you will need a wrench. This way should only be done if a release by hand is not possible. Now, close the handle slightly until the release lever can be pressed down out of the teeth structure. Keep the release lever pressed, and turn the wrench anti-clockwise until the lower crimping die is in the basic position, releasing the contact. Please refrain from using crimped wires in cases of premature release. Ensure that incorrectly crimped wires are discarded and not utilized in any applications. To avoid failures, you have to check visually if the contact is correctly crimped. If you look at the crimped contact, ensure that all strands are placed correctly. All the strands must be caught in the strand sleeve. No strand should be hanging out or pointing out in different directions. The crimp sleeve is not deformed in any areas except the crimping area, and ensure that no part of the crimp tab is missed. Both sides of the crimp must be symmetric, which means they both have to be the same size. Ensure that the wires are visible in the sight hole before and after crimping. Once everything has been thoroughly checked and verified, you may proceed with installing the contact in your CombiTac. Choose the right contact for the right CombiTac module. Guide the contact to its intended place. As soon as a click is heard, the contact is securely and firmly in place. If you want to insert the contact into a CombiTac direqt, take the contact carrier in your hand, insert the contact, and secure it with the retaining clip. You can then place the contact carrier in the correct position in the CombiTac. Note: for high current contacts, a heat shrinkable sleeve must be pulled over the contact before it is placed.